Hi there. Today I'm excited to introduce a revolutionary tool that CodeyLabs team is currently developing. It is powered by generative AI and allowing you to prepare the SOW with just a few clicks, ready to share with your customer. So, right, let's dive into a brief demo of this revolutionary tool. Okay, as you can see on my screen, we have got a project requirement that simply talks about an integration of a tool called Amplify, external tool called Amplify Care with a Salesforce Service Cloud. There's some notes and documentation the team has been doing while talking to the customer. They're gonna be preparing the SOW as the next steps. Let's see what our revolutionary product looks like. So we've got a project request. We've done all the requirements. Checked with the customer. So amplify care integration requirement. Let's just test. I'm pasting all the requirement from the document into the description and saving it. All right. Now it's time to see the power of generative AI. So let's click on this button and see what happens. All right. So the first step is it asks us to validate the project requirements. We just put it on the description. So okay. Now behind the scene, generative AI is probably doing all the maths, doing the scopes and all. All right. So what the Gen AI has come up with is says that okay, we need there's a scope that connects Salesforce Amplify, and which we need sales administrator, integration architect, business analyst, the phase development build. These are the and then iframe in the Salesforce. Okay, cool, which looks good, correct. So let's insert them into the system. Maybe a 3 weeks project. It's pure TNM. Okay, so business analyst. I mean, this is a drop down when we have multiple rates in your system for a particular role. It allows you to pick the one for that currency type. All right, developer, integration architect, Salesforce administrator. Cool. All right, so now it looks like the SOW is created. So we just need to select a template for the SOW and just validate. Okay, so if you could see, we have this SOW, CodeyLabs, statement of work, project description, scope of work, and then this comes up with the SOW, and you can definitely download it and print it. Cool. See how quickly it has allowed us to generate an SOW with the power of generative AI. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to reach out if you need a similar solution for your business.